Hello.
Ko. Ingay.
Okay.
Okay.
How are you?
Wala tayo. It's been a while.
Wala kami last week. So, yes. But it's fine. That's fine.
That's
We
fine.
are back now.
Magbakasyon kami.
We are back now.
Bakasyon. Okay.
Okay.
February na. Sa wakas tapos na January.
Ang haba ng January.
Natapos na lahat. January pa rin.
Like,
Tapos na. Tapos na January. Ano na yan?
like, parang 2 months worth yung January.
Oh, February na. Kaya yung mga taong nagkalas agad nagkalas agad ng Christmas decorations nung January. Kasi February na daw.
Iba na yung,
ano nga yan?
iba na yung kakabit nila.
Tawag dito. Maalikabok na yung mga Valentine's decor nyo. Kasi nga, ngayon ay February na, which means
Magba-Valentine's na.
nako.
Next week.
Ako masaya kung may Valentine's.
Meron ka ba? I haven't asked you yet.
Na?
Di pa kita tinatanong. Na, if you can be my Valentine's. Dapat ganun. Hindi dapat assume. I'll ask you.
Pwede rin ako na magtanong.
Na-spoil ka na to.
Be my Valentine's.
Yes po. Of
Okay.
course.
Yay. So, ayan.
Okay. I'll go.
Okay.
That being said,
February na ngayon. So, ano bang kadalasang ganap pag February?
Chinese New Year.
Chinese ka ba? Oh my God, baka mabash tayo. Hindi, besides sa Chinese New Year, syempre.
Happy Chinese New Year.
Advance, Happy Chinese New Year. February 2 pa lang.
Kailan ba Chinese New Year?
10?
Ano daw Chinese?
Hindi rin ako Chinese, pero kumakain ako ng Chinese food.
Okay.
So, February. Usually naman, syempre Pinoy. Feeling ko hindi lang naman Pinoy. Big deal ang February.
Oo.
Kasi, Valentine's.
Actually, aside from the Philippines.
Happy Valentine's.
Yes, Happy Valentine's. Actually, it's common around the globe, no?
I think it's common. Should be common. Kasi,
Yeah, even like Southeast Asians have Valentine's.
pero I think we all celebrate it differently.
Yeah. But I think the main idea of it is like, where?
Hindi ko alam.
Probably West.
Hindi ko alam, pero Western siya.
Yeah.
For sure. Tapos, ang lala ng effect sa Pilipinas. Kasi ewan ko, Pilipinas, Valentine's, na para bang holiday ang Valentine's.
Tawa pag Valentine's.
Oo. Sko, yung traffic na yan. EDSA.
Oh my
On
God.
Valentine's. Ano ba naman Valentine's ngayon? Di ba Saturday?
Weekend.
Weekend na Valentine's this year.
People are outside.
So, good luck. Enjoy the love in the air.
In the polluted air of Metro Manila.
Okay.
Okay.
So, that being said, syempre, natataon na February.
Mm.
Ang topic natin ay Valentine's, of course.
Mhm.
So, we're going to talk about love and how we celebrate Valentine's.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to do this in quick, what do you call this?
Fast talk.
Parang fast talk. Basta I want your quick and honest opinion.
Okay. Ilang seconds to?
3 seconds lang.
Okay, bilangan mo ako.
Bigyan ko siya ng 3 seconds. Tapos, you have to elaborate your answer. Why?
Okay. Boyabunda? Parang boyabunda pala.
Pwede rin.
Okay, game.
Okay, so, itong mga susunod, you just have to agree or disagree.
Okay.
And,
Can you put my water?
sorry.
Okay.
Commercial.
Thank you.
Okay. So, ito, you just have to agree or disagree. Okay.
Okay.
And then, yun nga, kailangan mong ipaliwanag why.
Okay.
Or ipapaliwanag natin. Pwede rin naman ang kasali.
Yeah, kasali ka.
Anyway. Okay.
Okay.
First up. Do you agree that Valentine's Day is just capitalism?
No.
Ay, wait lang, hindi ako nagbilang.
Ay, wala na. Wala na.
Ulit.
Nasagot ko
Gugulo
na.
siya.
No,
Yeah, okay.
it's not. But I think the way we celebrate it is such a big opportunity for capitalism.
Oo naman, kung may business ako, syempre may ganap ako ng
Diba?
Valentine's.
But I think when Valentine's, well, I'm not sure. We can always look it up.
For
But
sure.
parang I'd like to believe that Valentine's wasn't created because may surplus ng mga bulaklak.
Ayo.
Diba?
I mean, feeling ko, if taga Baguio ka, tas Valentine's, sakto, na February, tapos namin bulaklak. Eh, sakto naman talaga kasi,
Yeah, parang, I mean, it makes the most sense. But, wala na for me. It's not capitalist scam. Maybe the way we practice it could be a big opportunity
Pero
for
Valentine's is not capitalist.
No. No. Because like, for example, we can celebrate Valentine's very modestly.
Correct.
Diba? Like, letters, magkano lang naman ng papel, or like, paper roses, or like, handpicked flowers sa neighborhood or whatever.
Very cute yun. I got ideas na nga eh.
Diba? So, it's always about intention. How you want to celebrate
The
Valentine's.
intention. Big word.
Yeah, kasi ikaw, would you want that? Like, bigyan natin siya ng flowers, bigyan natin ng chocolate, and then stuffed toys, and then get it over with. Happy Valentine's.
Siyempre hindi. Sa'yo na yung sa'yo na yung chocolate, sa'yo na yung flowers. Sa'yo na yan. I can buy my own.
Yeah, diba? Parang, I'm not saying that giving flowers, chocolates,
It's bad.
and stuffies are bad, but there should be intention na you want to give it because
Hindi na
it's Valentine's. Diba? Hindi yung dapat bukal sa loob mo na magbibigay ka that day. Not because obligado, because, I don't know, jowa ka, asawa ka, or whatever.
So parang siyang dapat it's a day to be extra romantic.
Oo. Yeah. Or like,
Let's
it
take
should
it as
be.
it is. Siguro.
Yeah, parang, I also like it kasi na, when it's Valentine's, parang just embrace na it's gonna be a lovey-dovey day.
Oo, parang ganun.
Parang just embrace na it's Valentine's. Like, be corny, be cringe, or whatever, as long as you're being romantic and actually living the spirit of Valentine's. That's good.
In a capitalist world.
In a capitalist word. But like, the main issue is here, dapat you're always full of intention when you give something. That's it. That's for me.
But kasi, madali yan sabihin kasi, I mean, others can say, well, madali sabihin yun kasi may jowa ka. Kasi may date ka.
Well, I mean,
how about single people?
Guys, give...
Wait.
Okay.
Next question.
Next question na yan? Okay.
Wait lang. Okay. What's your take naman on for single people on Valentine's Day? Kasi syempre, diba, yes, alam namin uso yung self-love, ganyan, and then romanticize yourself, being single, and everything. There's nothing wrong with that. But, what can you say on single people being extra, or like even to the point of made up confidence during Valentine's Day? Parang, alam mo yun, sige, your answer muna.
No,
3, 2, 1.
What do you
Okay,
mean?
the question is, do single people have this fake extra confidence during Valentine's?
Like, kasi pampalubag-loob na wala siyang jowa?
I don't know. You make up the question. 3, 2, 1.
No.
Okay, he disagrees.
Yeah, I disagree. I don't think there's fake confidence.
Feeling ko naman, you can put it in a way na, parang kunwari, let's say single ako, tas Valentine's.
Okay.
Parang, yung tinutukoy na fake confidence could be like, kailangan I appear like I love myself this day, ganyan. Kasi ang lonely naman if hindi ko ipakita.
Okay. Here's my take. Magagamit ko yung degree ko.
Wow.
Slightly. Are you posting, like if you're single, and then you're posting on Valentine's Day something about loving yourself, celebrating yourself, etc., etc. Parang what's the intention behind it? Like, kasi when you post
Oo.
it's either self-expression, trip mo lang. That's possible. Most of the time, that's not the case.
Oh.
Kasi when you post something, parang subconsciously, you also want the attention.
Oo,
Kasi if you
syempre.
just want to
Kaya nga uso yung close friends.
ha?
Kaya nga uso close friends, 'di ba?
Oo. Parang for me, parang
Syempre
if
if you post, you wanna be heard
oo.
and seen.
Yeah. And there's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah,
Parang
correct.
there's nothing wrong with like wanting the attention or needing the attention. As long as hindi ka masyadong fixated on it that you're compromising on other shit. Like, halimbawa, walang pumansinin sa story mo. Konti lang nag-like. Tapos feeling mo ay
I know
my
someone.
my friends don't like me anymore. Para for me, that's like superficial.
Meron ka ng taon.
That's so superficial. And if you're doing that on Valentine's Day and then walang pumansin sa'yo, and then you feel like, I don't know, bad about it. Parang, it's more of a conversation that you have to have with yourself. Na,
Wow.
like, why am I so fixated with like the attention na
Yeah, but
gets?
it
But,
happens a lot of time. I know some people.
pero, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people like that.
Yeah.
And I think it needs to be talked more. It has to be talked about more. And especially on Valentine's Day, or like people are celebrating their loved ones. I mean, pwede naman di jowa or whatever, pwedeng mom mo, dad mo,
Oo.
siblings mo,
Date kayo
family,
ng
etc.
ano, date
'Di
kayo
ba?
ng mga pinsan mo, gano'n.
Parang I'm all for self-expression, loving yourself, etc.,
Mm.
etc. But always be clear with the intention. Like,
Okay.
why am I posting this? Ganon. That's
Okay, speaking of posting, I'm
okay.
gonna stop you right there. Since may jowa tayo and a lot of people are, celebrating Valentine's
Yeah.
together. Is posting your partner a validation on Valentine's Day?
Okay. Bilang.
3, 2, 1.
No.
Ayan.
No, it's not a validation.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'll put it this way.
Okay.
I do it I do it all the time.
Ako din naman.
I post you on Valentine's. I mean, I post you all the time, even if it's not
Wala
Valentine's Day.
namang
But
random.
you can always count na may post ka on Valentine's Day. And it's something na, paano ba? Para I post it because it's Valentine's Day.
Mm.
And you deserve to be posted on Valentine's Day.
Correct.
And parang it's something also na, why not just post? Parang it's such a, paano ba? Parang it's not, we're creating more problems by not posting. That's one. Diba? That's
Ang
true.
dami kasing judger dyan eh.
Diba? You're posting, you're creating more problems by not posting. Especially if you've been posting
Oo.
before pa.
Pag hindi,
Ba't di ka nag-post on Valentine's Day? Sa lahat ng araw ng taon sa
masisilip,
Valentine's Day ka pa hindi
masisilip
nag-post?
talaga yan. Oo.
Diba? But then again, for me, it's not because I have to post. Wala lang, parang it's such easy, parang it's so easy for me to do on Valentine's Day.
Mm.
Na at this point, 7 years in, about to be our 8th
8th na, yeah.
8th Valentine's na ba natin? No. No. First Valentine's was like 2019. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 8th na. Tama.
Sabi ko nga 8th.
It's about to be our 8th Valentine's Day. And for us, it's a tradition na kasi. Parang tradition na namin na we're posting on Valentine's Day.
Mm.
We're doing something on Valentine's Day.
Pero kahit naman di kami mag-post, alis pa rin kami, magde-date pa rin.
Mm.
So in short, ako rin, I also agree na it's not a required validation for your partner. But it's definitely an acknowledgement.
Mm.
An expression of, wala, acknowledging your partner, ganyan.
Yeah.
Appreciating, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so, wait lang. Enough about us. Kasi,
Okay.
wala eh. Matagal na tayo eh. Enough about us. Ano naman? Next question. What about ghostings in February? Wow, parang araw ng mga patay.
Ghosting?
Wait, the
Okay.
question is, do you think ghosting in February or like Valentine's season expected? Or, ano ba? Ayun. Is it expected or something na wala, alarming or whatever?
Mm.
Basically, parang, is it a marketing strategy? Parang, is it just cringe? Or, you know, it's something red flag talaga in the society?
Okay.
Okay. So, yun. The question is ghosting people in February expected or something to be worry about?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Something to be worried about. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Akala ko sagot niya expected.
Ghosting in February?
Oo. Kasi di ba wala lang, pagka kunwari, inaya mo makipag-date yung someone, tapos hindi ka sinipot, di ba yun parang normal lang? Di wow, ganun.
Okay. Here's my take. Because I have very strong feelings with ghosting. Ghosting is just bad. In general. You've been talking X amount of days sunod and then boom, wala ka na like that. That's disrespectful. Number 2, that's cowardly. Okay. Number 3, that's just not something a decent person would do. 'Di ba? Okay, especially
Di
come
punto.
coming from me na I've had instances where I'm the ghoster. Like I ghosted you before, 'di ba? And like looking back at it, it's such a stupid thing to do. It's such a bad thing to do. And right now, parang
Good for you.
it's guys, it's ghosting is bad. Let alone ghosting in February of all the months. Sa February ka pa sa February ka pa mawawala. Tapos imagine nag-set pa siya ng date.
Ayun nga eh, parang, I don't know, but, di ba siya, it shut down actually.
Huh?
The mic shut down.
Nag-stop doon yung mic.
Hello?
No.
Yeah, it is. Commercial break. I-times 2 mo na lang itong part na to.
Nasaan?
Diba? It doesn't have the light na.
Okay. Let's use this.
Okay, let's just share
Share.
this. Okay, we're just going to share this. Resolve.
Okay.
Okay. So, ayun, my take naman on that is, akala ko yung sasagot niya expected or like normal. Kasi, wala lang. At this day and age, super, ano ba, ang dami ng instances masyado nung, alam mo yun, wala lang. For whatever reason, di na lang nag-reply, ganyan. Minsan kasi, yun nga, tactic siya to be a magnet for someone.
Huh?
Ano be, yung mga mawawala saglit, tapos babalik. I don't know, ay wala lang. For me lang, akala ko, it's expected for you.
No. No. Okay. Paano ba? I've been out of the game for so long. So I don't know how people play in the dating world now. Even with their friends, pag nagkikwento sila. Parang di na ako
Well, kasi
nakaka-relate.
kung yung mga kwento kasi ng friends din namin, yan, dami din instances ng ganyan. Minsan nga, yung friends pa namin nang ghost eh.
Yeah, parang di Hindi ka na nagigets yung nangyayari.
Okay,
So,
gets
yes.
naman. Pero, guys, it's also disrespectful kasi, yun nga, parang, talking is effort, 'di ba? And like, you're building a relationship dapat. Tapos
Yeah.
bigla ka mangiiwan sa ere.
Yeah.
I mean, even if sa friends mo gawin yan, you're going to be a talk or like you're gonna cause a disturbance or whatever. So if you can't come, wala lang, just tell, ganun.
Yeah, kasi
To me, acceptable yung, uy, di ako tutuloy. Tapos tsaka ka na lang umalis or whatever.
kasi it's first and foremost, it's a form of respect talaga. I think that boils down to it eh. Parang there's effort on my end to meet you.
Correct.
At least have the decency to tell me na hindi kita masisipot.
Yeah.
So
Feel
that
like in any day, hindi lang
hindi lang
Valentine's.
Valentine's. Mas it's especially bad on Valentine's Day. Imagine if you're
Oo.
a girl
Tapos
waiting at a restaurant
you're
kasi
gonna
may
be stood up.
reservation doon, tapos wala pala siya.
Yeah.
Or even as a guy, may dala-dala kang flowers and shit.
Oo, punta.
Tapos, hindi pala sisipot yung date mo.
Diba?
Awa na lang, boss.
Oh. Well, okay. Yeah, guys. So, ghosting is bad. Okay, we can move on. Tapos, ngayon, since nabanggit mo na, gayan, kapag Valentine's, syempre, yung mga guys, nag-e-effort, bumibili ng flowers, whatever. Pero kasi kami, hindi kami nag-start na ganun. Parang, we started, I mean, throughout the years, we always gave each other tokens kapag Valentine's, ganyan.
Yeah.
But we didn't start big, parang, wala. Pagka Valentine's sa amin before, simple lang, lalabas kami, ganyan, kakain. And, yung mga gifts pa namin, mga makeshift, ganyan, arts and crafts. Cute kaya. Okay, so, my next question would be about bare minimum. Parang offering the bare minimum during Valentine's. Is it a form of disrespect? Or is it just practical? Bare minimum in the sense na, alam mo yun, parang you just go and acknowledge your partner and not go a mile or like an extra effort for Valentine's Day. So, okay na? Okay ka na? You have an answer na? Okay. So, bare minimum, or like not going the extra mile for Valentine's Day. Is it disrespect or just practical? 3, 2, 1.
Practical. Ah!
Okay,
Okay.
I will expect it's Valentine's charot.
No. Let me explain.
Let me explain. Okay.
Let me explain. Okay. Bare minimum. For me,
Bare minimum means here, as in not going the extra mile.
disrespect pala. Sorry,
Ano dapat?
I change. No, my thinking was parang bare minimum kasi yun lang yung kaya ibigay. But then you saying na no.
Oh, parang
Kasi if it's bare minimum,
you can't fault someone with giving you the...
okay, here's what I'm gonna say.
Okay.
It's
Defend yourself.
disrespectful or practical.
Okay.
I'm leaning towards practical.
Okay.
Kasi, ganito yan. With especially on Valentine's Day, you give what you can. You give what you can. Right? Now, yung can is a spectrum. Like, barely can
And very can.
and very can. Gets mo? So like, for example, I'm like rich or whatever. Tapos nabigyan ako ng bouquet of flowers. That could be just barya for me. There's not much effort going to that. Mamaya pina-order ko pa yun sa assistant ko.
Oo.
Right?
Oo.
On the surface,
Damn, what would you feel?
On the surface, wow, ang dami kong flowers, right?
What would you feel? Ako kung
But,
ganun, kung nalaman kong ganun, kaya ikaw, bigyan mo ako flowers. Tapos malaman ko, inutusan mo lang pala yung kapatid mo para i-order ako ng flowers.
di ba? Parang,
I'd feel,
in anything, especially on Valentine's Day, it's the thought that counts.
ano yun? PR.
It's the thought that counts and it's the effort that counts. Okay?
So,
So, it's practical, especially if yun ang talaga kaya ibigay. Para nambawa, I'm like struggling
Agree.
in stuff, tas hindi kita kaya bigyan ng flowers that day, so I just made you makeshift flowers. Yung hindi ko
for
kayang,
me, kasi, parang, hindi naman dapat, hindi, parang it isn't about the cost of it. No?
it's how hard I work for you
Oh.
to get that.
Mm-mm.
Parang, yeah, I can't buy.
Yeah, but you
Like,
can
I
do
can,
something
yeah,
else.
parang hindi ko kaya magbigay sa'yo ng isang dosen ng tulips.
Correct.
But, maybe, I can settle for something more modest kasi yun ang carry ng budget. And
Mm.
that's the maximum budget that I can allot for Valentine's Day.
Mm.
And then, I can make up for other stuff like ako namili ng kulay, ako namili ng ano, I went to the store physically, dinala ko sa'yo physically. Alam mo yun, parang there's ways to like make up for it. But, again, bare minimum if yun lang yung kaya mo talaga. But,
Very practical.
but effort shouldn't be bare minimum. Effort shouldn't be bare minimum. Effort should always be the most that you can give.
Gets ko yung, as a girl, gets ko yung may budget for
Yeah.
Valentine's. Kahit naman saan, kunwari kahit birthday ko, ganun.
There's always budget.
Gets ko naman yung dapat may budget
Yeah.
talaga. And ako din, parang I stand by it, dapat may budget. Kasi,
Yeah. Very responsible adults here.
yes. It's not about, kuripot ka lang ganyan. Wala, parang,
No, I'm not stupid, that's why.
oh. At the end of the day, it's just another day.
Yeah.
A bit more special, but it's just another day. So, yeah, there's nothing
Yes.
wrong with acting or like getting your date on a budget.
Yep.
Basta there's effort in it. Siguro kung hindi mo kayang gumastos more for your partner, edi just put in more effort.
Yeah.
Or
Dapat,
like, even more words, ganun.
Yeah.
Pakiligin mo na lang, be.
dapat, you should always bring your full effort.
Yung effort dapat di tinitipid.
Yeah. I mean, if tinitipid mo yun,
Ay, red flag ka.
red flag ka, inisipin mo na lang if, do you really want a partner now? Or do you want to work on
Oh.
other stuff? Diba?
Okay.
So that's
Okay.
my take.
That's a good take.
Yes. Thank you.
And a very
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 mature.
timely.
Okay, very mature one.
Oo. Okay. Next question. Tayo kasi, syempre, feeling ko hindi lang naman kami. Kasi, syempre, Gen Zs, ganyan. We like hanging out with people, hanging out with friends, ganyan. Syempre, we grew up with each other, ganyan. Tapos, yeah, especially sa case natin na we're very close with our friends. And even our families, ganyan. So, what's your opinion on group dates versus romantic dates? 3, 2, 1.
Okay lang.
Mid. Pwede ba yun?
Yes or no? Do you want yes or no?
Sa Valentine's, sa Valentine's.
Okay, go.
Ano, go?
Ay, ako na magbibilang ko ulit.
Hindi. Sige. Okay. Group dates or romantic dates during Valentine's? Yes or no?
No.
Yay or nay?
No.
Oh, no. Why no?
I mean, we have all the other days of the year to
For
be
group
together.
dates.
Yeah. I mean, gato.
Even if you're all boyfriends and girlfriends, even if you're all couples there.
Nah. Hell nah. Solo yung jowa ko on Valentine's Day.
Romantic siya.
Yeah. I mean, it's Valentine's Day, guys. Just go with your partner. But, here's what I'll say. If bet nyo mag-double date, mag-triple date on that day, go do you.
By all means.
For me, it's not my cup of tea. Parang,
It'll be fun.
yeah, it's gonna be
Definitely,
fun.
it will be fun.
But I wanna reserve that day for just the
for
two
your
of us.
Okay,
Gets?
respectable.
Yeah. But it's a different thing if like pares tayo single. Everyone's single.
Ay, oo, Iba
Iba
yun.
yun.
Group date
But like
talaga
for
yun.
me, right now in my life, if it's Valentine's Day, it's just you and me.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, gets. Ay, ano naman, what if family dates over, family dates over, as in, private partner dates.
Private partner date on Valentine's Day?
Oh,
Private partner dates.
okay.
I mean, my mom and my dad can go on their own date, right?
Gets.
Yeah. They can go on their own. My sister and her partner, they can go on their own date. Get mo tayo Valentine's Day, guys. May
Kanya-kanya
yeah.
muna. Kaya
Oh,
nyo na yan.
it's for romantic dates. Like,
Okay.
yeah,
If may partner ka, feel ko.
if may partner ka.
Yeah. So, like, reserve that date for your date.
Yes.
The date.
Yes. Parang, okay, here's a kind of tangent, pero medyo hot take.
Mm.
Like, parang, I also have thoughts with like, ano ba, it's Mother's Day,
Mm.
and then people will greet their father,
Oh.
kasi single father,
Okay.
kasi tumayo yung nanay din.
Okay.
Like, I'm all for that, it's such a sweet gesture, right? But
Yeah.
there's Father's Day. You can like greet them on
Okay.
Father's Day.
Gets naman.
Like, it's motherhood, guys. Why are we greeting our fathers on Mother's Day?
Guilty.
I don't know. Parang there's Father's Day. Why not we can just greet our fathers during Father's Day, our mothers on Mother's Day, and not swap them out.
Tsaka may birthday naman.
Oh, but again, if it's like, single mom, single parent,
Yeah.
or like yung talaga tumayo yung magulang sa'yo and stuff, fine, it's fine.
Mm. Okay. So, with that being said, ibayin naman natin ang ante.
Okay.
Okay. Kasi agree and disagree lang tayo with the first part.
I'll go.
So now, ibayin naman natin ante. I'm going to say some stuff. Tapos, you're going to I don't know. Either you're going to choose one
Okay.
or you're going to react to it.
Okay.
Okay. Game.
Mm.
Okay, first. Uso-uso to.
Okay.
Couples TikTok dances. Reaction.
Cute.
Labas sa ilong yung cute.
It's cute. It's cute, guys. I mean, I do it if I can dance. I do it if I can dance. And if bet mo talaga mag-post on TikTok on Valentine's Day, like couple dance, G ako. Basta magpa-practice tayo konti.
Ako, for me, it's cringe.
Really?
Cringe, me. I don't know.
Even if they're like happy.
I mean, yeah, even if they're happy, parang cringe in a way na, ano ba yan?
Siguro depende on the dance.
Oo, siguro depende on the dance. Pero, most likely, ang first reaction ko dyan ay,
Ano ba to?
ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Kalat. Okay.
Ba't kung sa akin masaya?
Yeah, pero, tayo, magdidikit na magka-couple dance tayo sa Valentine's. Ayaw niya, dito siya dancer.
Hindi ako sumasayaw. So, there was a time though.
Ano sinasayaw mo dati?
Alimango sa ano yung isa? Yung takatak yung may coconut and stuff. Yung may coconut.
Folk dance.
Folk dance, guys.
Yung parang Hawaiian. Okay, sige, mag-ganun tayo. Pwede naman. Tapos tayo yung cringe.
Karinyosa sa ano.
Okay,
Karinyosa
fine.
and ano yung isa?
Di ko alam yung ganun. Di ko alam tawag
No.
yun eh. Ano yan?
Meron pa yung tinikling.
Wala na akong tinikling. Anyway, TikTok dances for me, medyo cringe. Yeah. Guilty ako. Okay, next. Ito, choose one. Love letters or DMs? As in love letters written love
Love,
letters?
love letters. Okay. Let me,
Clearly, kita niya kung sino yung romantic sa amin.
let me take the mic for a bit. So, lobat niyo sa mic. But, in this day and age, right? Sobrang dali mag LSM over DM. Do you guys know LSM? I don't know. Is this
Alam niyo
interesting?
pa ba yun, LSM?
It's called what?
Long sweet message.
Lumalabas yung edad natin.
Oh.
Ah,
We're not that old.
okay. Again, with the effort thing, right? Diba, napag-usapan natin kanina. Yung bare minimum during
Kasama yun sa effort.
Valentine's. Yeah. I mean, imagine, you're gonna handwrite it. Walang chat GPT yun. Boss. There's no AI in that shit. So, makikita mo yan.
Teka lang. AI, Diyos ko naman, mamaya yung
Mag-media naman
essay,
kayo.
maiyakan naman.
Putik.
Kung AI mo yung Valentine's message mo sa jowa mo, be, ano ba yan? Parang, okay lang maiksi.
At least it's from you.
Open chat. Give me a long, sweet message for my boyfriend.
Oh my God.
I like inspiring messages. Pero, huwag naman kayo mag-chat GPT ng message nyo sa jowa nyo.
I don't think we're in that stage yet na problem siya for couples. I hope so. But
Pero wag naman. Okay, ayun nga, pag written love letters, walang chat GPT.
yeah, that's like a good ang sweet nun for me.
Tapos ang ano pa na, ang opening pa, iniirog ko. Minamahal.
But like, kasi when you write, like that's an action. Eh di makikita mo doon minsan, gaano?
Kita mo doon sino yung mga pangit yung sulat, pangit pa lang sulat ng jowa ko.
Yeah, so it takes long and it's medyo mahirap din magsulat ng mahaba kung mahaba talaga yung susulat mo. And hindi ka sanay magsulat, like sanay ka lang mag-type and stuff, that's hard Especially, let's say hindi ka na estudyante, hindi ka na sanay mag-write, puro ka na,
yourself.
yes, I'm describing myself. So, makita mo doon, like, napapasma ka na, nangangalay ka na,
May marka-marka pa yun.
makikita mo doon gaano katiin yung papel. Diba? Minsan, may ink smears pa, ibig sabihin, umiyak, may smudges So like, there's something to be said with love letters na handwritten. Because like, it's such a romantic thing to do. Naalala ko si Noah. Noah from The Notebook. Araw-araw siya nagsulat ng letter for Yeah.
Okay. To me naman, love letters, if tatanungin ako, I'm also gonna answer love letters. Kasi, love letters always reveal something about your partner.
Yeah.
Or kung sino man yung sumusulat sa'yo, di ba? It reveals something beyond what's written there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, it's always interesting to receive handwritten letters. Nagpaparinig po ako. It's been years. Okay, moving on. Next, what's your reaction to last minute Valentine's dates? Yung mga hindi pinaghandaan. Isang taon yung nakalipas, hindi mo na pinaghandaan yung Valentine's date. Okay, reaction.
Okay. That's sad.
My reaction? Disappointing.
For me, it's sad. Because like, same argument with you. It's been a year since last Valentine's.
Hindi mo yun inisip, gano'n.
I mean, kasi if di mo pinagplanuhan, ibig sabihin, Valentine's isn't that big of a deal.
Yeah.
Diba? It's not that big of a deal. But,
If it doesn't cross your mind, it's not a big deal.
yes. So, ang tanong, pares ba kayo ng partner mo with having
Okay,
Valentine's?
If ganun. And if hindi, sinong mag
I mean, you should always meet.
Okay, it's alive.
You should always meet your partner. Like,
In the middle.
if for your partner, it's a big thing, right? For you, it's not a big thing.
Oh, ano gagawin? Saan mag-a-adjust?
Collectively, it should be a big thing na. Because like,
Oo. We always adjust further,
yeah,
not the other way around.
yes. You don't settle for less. Because,
Mm.
especially if yung less na yun ay because ayaw lang mag-effort ng partner mo kasi hindi niya trip.
Alam mo, red flag yun for me.
Yeah.
Disappointing for me. May
No.
jowa ka tapos walang plan for Valentine's. It's not because nakikiuso ka at gusto mo
Gusto mo different kayo, wala. Ay, hindi
Oo.
naman big deal yung ba. I mean, if it's something that you and your partner agrees with, that's fine.
Oo.
But like, halimbawa, ikaw, big thing sa'yo yung Valentine's. Sa akin, hindi big
Uy.
thing. No, that's not
Ah.
true. It's big thing for me. Di pa ba halata sa mga sagot ko? But like, for example, big thing sa'yo, hindi big thing sa akin.
Oo.
Like,
It doesn't
I want,
matter.
as a loving partner, and supposedly, kung gusto mo talaga maging green flag,
Supposedly.
you should satisfy your partner's needs na, okay, I have to put effort during
Mm.
Valentine's Day because it matters to my girlfriend.
Saka wag mo, and in doing that, wag mo naman paramdam na pinipilit mo yung sarili mo.
Oh, parang you're already there, might as well.
Just do it, oo. Tsaka isipin mo na lang isang araw lang yun.
Yeah, I don't know, parang if for you, Valentine's is a chore, tas sa partner mo, it's a big thing, parang there's something to be
Just do your
said.
part. Oh. I mean, at the very least, just do your part and make your partner happy.
Yeah, saka for me, even if ma-effort yung pag-prepare on Valentine's Day,
Oo, mahirap.
tapos
Ayan, ang ingay ko.
hindi mo gaanong bet yung Valentine's Day, seeing your partner being excited and happy about it should already be enough for you to get by.
Oh, hindi lang get by. Dapat, ano ka na, parang,
Invested ka na rin.
oo, ganun.
So like, again, if it's last minute, I mean, life could get in the way. Maybe
Disappointing.
my work-related shit, my school-related shit,
Whatever shit.
right? For me, it could be like a long thing kasi. Okay, commercial.
Daming commercial sa episode.
Yeah.
Poknat.
Yung lumundag, talagang mo tingnan mo ka pupunta yan. Nakabumunta ka din sa hangganan.
Come here.
Maganda.
Come here.
Hi.
Hi guys, it's Poknat.
Say hi to my, to our dog. Kiss.
No, this is not Poknat.
Poknat? Ano yun,
No,
napulot lang.
this is not Poknat. This is Dobby.
Napulot.
Ano niya, kamukha niya si Dobby.
Na,
Wait, Poknat, napulot.
napulot lang siya sa talahiban.
Quite literally.
Quite literally.
Kiss.
Kanina pa ito nasa baba eh.
Be gentle. May audience tayo. Ganyan. Okay, fine.
Like it that way. Okay. So, again, pwede naman siya mapagplanuhan.
Sorry. To me, it's just utterly disappointing. Kasi number one, that's a lack of effort.
Yeah.
And number two, alam ko mahirap magplano ng something for Valentine's. Kasi it's that one day na may ganap kayo ng partner mo. And
Everyone has ganap on that.
oo, kaya there's so much that's going to turn out wrong during
Yes.
Valentine's.
Yes.
Kaya mahirap magplano ng Valentine's date.
But that's also the beauty of it. Like, if you're able to pull it off, you're able to like plan an itinerary.
Core memory yun.
You're able to like reserve places for you guys. Like, di ba? Parang,
Tsaka, alam mo yung red flag siya. And like, nasabi ko na yun sa'yo before.
Which one?
Girls kasi parang the real ones.
Oo.
It definitely feels different to be a girl tapos may partner ka na okay, context, the dog almost had.
You almost got the pinagbutuan of the food that we ate.
Okay. Anyway, ayan. Where was I? Ayan. Sabi ko, girls, iba yung feeling ng yayayain ka mag-date. Tapos, lahat nakaplano na.
Oo, nakaplano na.
It's very different kapag yayain ka ng date. Tapos, ang itatanong sa'yo, ikaw, saan mo gusto?
Parang iba yung kilig factor ng dito tayo, first stop here, second stop there, and then third, if bet mo dito, we can push through with the but if not, we can also do this. Parang alam mo yun, it's a mix of you know where to go, but also you're also giving her some choice on what she wants. Maybe kasi di niya bet entirely, but like having the day pretty much planned out for you guys, it's better than not having any plans at all. Even if hindi niya ganong bet, yung pinlano niya.
Kurig. Tsaka,
I mean, if
kaya nun?
yeah, part of it parang part of the challenge is being able to know what she wants. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Parang that's part of that's part of the objectives in terms of like planning the day for Valentine's Day. Knowing what your partner wants. So part of the planning 'yun, 'di ba? But then again, as long as there's a plan, you're already like halfway
alam mo
there.
yung alam mo yung sasabihin sa'yo, block mo na yung 14 mo, pupunta tayo sa ganito. Yeah. Tas sunduin kita ng mga ganito oras. That's a real one. Anyway, next. Haba naman nun, dami kasi commercial. Anyway, next. Choose one. Ay. Sige, hindi na pala choose one. Ano na lang? Reaction on... Are you ready?
Yes.
Chocolates over flowers.
Bilang.
Ay, sige. 3, 2, 1.
Flowers.
Wow, even as a guy.
Yeah.
Ay, sige, kwento mo ako. Ibida mo ko.
Alam niyo guys, the first ever flowers I got was from her. During when? When?
No, ikaw nagkukwento eh. Ako nga
Pakita mo sa kanila. Pakita mo.
Commercial na naman. Ay, ko.
Actually, ito lahat ng flowers na natanggap ko. Lanta na sila. But like the blue ones, the fake men love. Hindi naman kinilain lang.
They're just painted.
Really painted. Ang tawag dyan, morning breath?
Baby's breath.
Baby's breath. Okay. Iba pala yung morning breath. Mabaho pala yan. Yeah. So, I got it for Valentine's Day, di ba? Yeah. I got it for Valentine's Day. That was the first ever set of flowers that I got. Ay, kasi statistically, guys, did you know, the first ever flowers that a man will ever receive in his life is for his funeral na. Most men. Like, majority of men. So, hindi na ako kasama sa statistic. Andun na ako sa minority.
Nasa outlier ka.
Yes. But for me, flowers. Why? Again, kanya-kanyang trip yan. If trip mo chocolates over flowers, edi you do you. But like, really? Chocolates for Valentine's Day? Parang for me kasi, it's all...
It's still a staple.
Oh, para for me kasi it's always been flowers and chocolates. Not chocolates and flowers. Parang chocolates are there as sort of like an accessory or whatever.
Accessory.
Parang ano lang, parang it's meant to complement the flowers. Also kasi flowers hold more meaning. Right? So, halimbawa kung anong trip ng jowa mo, anong trip mo?
Flowers.
No, like what type of flowers?
Madami.
Which one? Choose.
I like tulips,
Yes.
baby's breath, stargazers,
Yun yung,
carnations,
yun yung trip niya. Okay?
peonies.
Okay, so, ang top 3 niyan ay, yun yung top 3 niya, tulips, okay? Baby's breath na mahirap hanapin for whatever reason.
Oh, hindi, should not.
It should not be, but like, ang hirap niya bilhin of yun lang. Parang, punta ka sa florist, isa pong bouquet ng baby's breath lang. Sabi mo, ha? Yan? Panggilid lang yan sa ano eh. Diba? It's never the main flower. And then, ayun, yung stargazer and carnation. Stargazer, yeah, stargazer. No, yeah, yun yung apat. So like, hindi mo rin So yun yung staple. So like, for example, I give that during Valentine's Day. That's a choice that I deliberately made. So that's effort, right? Anong favorite mong kulay for flowers?
Pink,
Yes.
white,
Mm-hmm.
yun lang.
No, don't you like purple a bit and orange? I got you purple flowers last time.
Ay, maganda.
Oh, kasi, hindi, you don't like purple specifically, but like purple has meaning.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, How I Met Your Mother.
Yes.
Yung purple elephant.
Purple, yeah. Purple, not yellow.
Yes, kasi she's Team Robin. But anyway, parang ngayon, like, choosing what type of flower, choosing what color of that flower is, what type of arrangement ang bet niya.
And actually finding a shop that has it.
Yes, that's also hard. Kasi minsan yung sources ko, they don't have it, so they have to search for new sources, etc., etc. See, that's like, just getting the flowers right takes a lot of decisions, a lot of actions. That's also, so getting the perfect set of flowers on Valentine's Day has a lot of meaning already.
If you get, girls, and boys, if you get your perfect bouquet of flowers on Valentine's Day, just know na hinanap yan.
Pinaghirapan yun.
Pinlano yan. Pinareserve yan. And everything. So, wala. It's, for me, it's supposed to be remembered and wala. Recognized, be grateful for
Yes. Yeah.
being given flowers and being able to receive flowers. Ako mahilig ako magbigay ng flowers sa mga tao, but I also give him flowers.
Yeah.
Yes.
And kaya I
Kahit
like,
birthday niya.
yep,
Yeah, birthday and
anniversaries.
Valentine's.
yeah.
I give him his flowers.
Kasi parang, alam mo yung, di ba yung line na, give me my flowers? So like, this, flowers are
I
always
took it
meant,
quite literally.
flowers are always meant to be celebratory, on a form of acknowledgement, a
Yes.
form of appreciation. I mean,
Tsaka
kaya,
it's so pretty. Why will you pass on
Yeah,
not
sasabihin nila-
giving?
sabihin nila, di naman nakakain yung flowers. Kasi it's not meant to be eaten. It's meant to be appreciated. It's, may mga bagay sa mundo na hindi kailangan dumaan sa tiyan mo. Flowers,
Okay.
flowers are there just to be looked at and to be pretty. And I don't think that makes it any less significant or important. Okay? And again, it's the choice Parang hirap, it's hard to get the flowers right. Putik na yan pag alam mo yung paboritong chocolate. Di ba? Ano paborito mong chocolate? Isn't it Cadbury?
No.
What? What?
Hindi.
Okay, what is it?
I like Hershey's, man.
Love. For a time, like Cadbury.
My mom likes Cadbury and Ferrero.
No, we don't like Ferrero, that's for sure.
I don't like Ferrero, for sure.
Okay, but, alam mo, yan. Sinabi niya, Hershey's. I could like, sobrang dali bumili ng Hershey's. I could go to like 7-Eleven for God's sakes. There's gonna be Hershey's there. Pag pumunta ba ako ng 7-Eleven, may makita akong Stargazer, tulips, saka baby's breath doon na naka-arrange na. I don't think so. Diba?
Ang gusto ko na pala ngayon ay Royce. Charot.
Ano, Royce?
Royce. Ito, wait, ako sa'yo. It's a Japanese brand.
Rolls Royce? Ah? Oh.
Para siyang truffle, but it comes in many variants.
Ito ba yung nasa, nasa
Should I tell you saan mabibili?
Seattle's?
No.
Ay, wala ba sa Seattle's? What? Where?
They have one good room. I don't know where else. Okay. So yun, parang flowers on Valentine's Day is an extra mile compared to chocolates. So, pero if you can, better to give both. Kasi wala lang, combo sila. And maganda yung flowers. Chocolates are sweet. So, very romantic, diba? Very Valentine's. Ano pa ba yung Valentine's doon?
Yeah.
Okay, we're moving on to our we're moving on towards the end of this episode. So for this, I will ask you just one more question for closing. Game? Okay. Ayun. If for you, Valentine's doesn't exist, completely erase it from your memory. Would love be expressed differently? Or like, would there be a day just for love if walang Valentine's Day? Completely erase it.
I think, okay. I think yes. I was about to eat the bite. Okay. If Valentine's wouldn't exist, I mean, it's gonna be a cop-out if I say that there's gonna be a date for love. Kasi that's already Valentine's, right? So I'm thinking, what holiday would it fall under? Like, merge it with another thing?
Oh, that's sad if it's just gonna be merged with another day.
Kasi parang, okay, I think a day to celebrate love will always have a place in the calendar.
Okay.
So, if there's no Valentine's, there's gonna be a Valentine's-ish date.
Okay. Akala ko you'd be, I don't know, pessimistic about it. Kasi syempre, if there's no Valentine's, would it be significant to have a day just for love? And dami-daming nangyayari sa mundo. So I thought you're gonna answer no.
There's always gonna be a date for love. So, if it's not Valentine's Day, makakahanap yan, especially mga kapitalista. Ito timing na, kailan yung surplus ng stationery, kailan yung surplus ng chocolate. But jokes aside, love is a very big thing in the world. And, goddamn, if meron tayong holiday for like
Actually.
if meron tayong holiday for like useless shit or like things na hindi ganong universally applicable to everyone, like halimbawa, I mean, for example, you have Ninoy Aquino Day. Bakit ako magse-celebrate ng Ninoy Aquino Day? Hindi naman ako part of the Ninoy Aquino family. But ako equally so, why am I going to celebrate, I don't know, parang araw ng kagitingan? Is my family part of like, para may hero ba sa pamilya ko? Wala rin naman. But like we commemorate it because it holds meaning to the collective experiences of the Filipino people, whatever, like that, right? Kasino pa yung love? It's like universal for all humans. Meron at meron yan. It may not be called Valentine's Day. It may not be fall on the 14th of February. But I think there's gonna be a day just for love. And if we want to merge it or like choose an already existing holiday to replace it with, I can say Christmas. Di ba?
Sasapawan mo si Jesus, ganun.
Yeah, because I mean, Jesus is love. So, if not Christmas, it's gonna be like, I don't know when. If not Christmas, Semana Santa. Yeah, that's the greatest form of love. That's also love, right? So, I think Valentine's Day, it's the day for romantic love, I think.
It's a day for love. Period. Kita niyo na kung sino yung ano. Kita niyo na kung sino yung romantic sa amin dalawa. Actually, kaya ako nag-lead nito eh. Ano ba yan? Okay, guys. So, we hope you like the content for today. And advance happy Valentine's for everyone. Let's stay in love because love is universal. And as fleeting as it is, it's nice to feel loved, guys. So, ayan. Happy Valentine's and thanks for listening to our 3, 2, 1.
Yep,
Yapa.
Say goodnight.
Cat.
Say
Oh.
goodnight to Poknut.
Show him. He's sleepy. What can you say, Poknut? No, show him. Show him. You should be that. What can you say? Poknut. Do you like someone? No. I'll take that as a no. At least he likes us. Anyway. Bye, guys.